Hi there, first graders. It is Miss Grace. Today we are going to read one of our stories that has a lot of good practice with digraphs. Our story is called Cod Fish. So what I want you to do first is just make a prediction in your head. What do you think this story, the title is Codfish, what do you think the story is going to be about? Make a prediction and we'll see if you're right. So what we're going to do, if you can see, my story is right here. They already have it scooped for me, so I get to read it in phrases so I can read it fluently. And there are no pictures, which means you are the person who has to make the pictures up in your head. Here's how we do this. We read the first sentence the whole way to the period in your head, and then we'll read it together out loud, okay? Go ahead, read the first sentence in your head. Okay, can you practice reading that sentence with me? Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed the cat. All right, I want you to practice this next sentence the whole way down to this period. Go ahead and practice and we'll read it together. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and read. Jack sat on a rock with his net. All right, your turn. This is a shorter sentence. Go ahead. All right, I'm going to read that one. Jed sat on a log. And can you read the next one in your head? Okay, now I'm going to read it. Jack had the luck. Okay, practice your next sentence. Okay, let's read. He was quick with the net. And practice your next sentence. Okay, let's read it. He got the codfish. And then I want you to finish the story and we'll read it together. All right, let's read it. Jed had a dish of fish. Yum! All right, guys, this time, since we're going to read it one more time, we've already gone through it one time, so we kind of know what's going on in our story. This time, I really want you to practice making the pictures in your head because I am going to have you guys tell me the characters in our story, where you think our story takes place, and then the events that's happening in our story. Remember, we use that word plot, so that is what's going on in our story first, next, then, and last. Alrighty, ready? I'm going to start. Please read with me. Start with the title. Codfish. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed the cat. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Jed sat on a log. Jack had the luck. He was quick with the net. He got the codfish. Jed had a dish of fish. Yum! Awesome work, you guys. Okay, so I am actually going to have you do just like I said. You're going to be telling me the characters, the setting that you think where this story took place, and then what happened first, next, then, and last. And I would also love to hear you reading the story for the first time, so I'm going to have you record yourself reading our story, The Codfish. I cannot wait to hear and see what you do.